Hey, did you know Diesel Power Source has been making compound turbo kits for more than 15 years? They're a direct bolt-on application and will bolt right up to the factory cast elbow, or a downpipe is provided to go into the stock exhaust. For you hot shotters, construction guys that are always towing, weekend warrior style, compounds are the ultimate for towing. EGTs, they're a non-issue. You can take that long grade, maintain 65 or more. We make compound kits for the 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, and 4th gen trucks. Our kits are available as a full compound, such as an S300 over an S400, or we can actually use your stock turbo and add just the S400 to make a complete kit. I can't emphasize enough how much better compounds perform than a single turbo. Give me a call. I'd really like to talk about a compound setup for your truck.